everyone, and welcome to video 5 of EVA Foam 101. Today we'll be talking about exactly how to glue your EVA foam together for best results. So here are the tools that you're going to need to glue your EVA foam together. First, we have our contact cement. I use DAP Wellwood contact cement, but that is because it's the easiest to get locally. I do like these small bottles because they do come with brushes inside. If you don't have that, you will have to get your own brushes, but those are easily attainable and not super expensive. Then you have EVA foam. I'm going to be using chunks just to show you, but you'll have your project. Safety glasses, gloves to protect your hands, as well as a dust mask or a respirator, and a well-ventilated room. Make sure that you are taking proper safety precautions so that you can keep making for years to come. Now, as you're gluing, you want to be sure that you get all of the parts of your side, and you don't need to put that much on it. Like, there's no requirement that it's glopped on. You can see that the glue that I was using was a little thick, so I was scraping a little bit of that excess off as I was sliding across. I just wanted to do a quick visual of how it should look once it's getting relatively dry. It should change from being very yellow to going almost clear or a lighter yellow. Now the moment we have been looking for and waiting for is putting it together. So I'm going to do the straight ends first. I always press one corner down exactly how I want it, making sure that those corners are lined up. Then go through the middle and then pull to the end. Sometimes you might get into situations where one end might not be long enough. What's really great about EVA foam is you can pull it. And then I do press towards the seam in the center to make sure that there is a good bond. Another way to make sure that, especially on your larger projects, that you're getting the EVA foam correct is using registration marks. Just marks that show you, this is fitting correctly, this is how it's supposed to fit per the pattern. Now for angles can get kind of tricky. I always tend to do the pointed end first, the end that is going to be seen. As soon as that end is tacked down and I like it, I then push both from the start and through the middle, making sure that it's creating a full and complete bond. Now, if there is some gap in the back because the angle just isn't perfect, that's okay. No one's going to see it. But what you really want to do is make sure the front looks fantastic. Last minute tips for your EVA foam gluing. Make sure that you do sand your edges. You can get a better bond when you do it, as well as try and glue a bunch of pieces at the same time. It'll decrease your wait time, and it'll also make sure that you can get the project done a little bit faster instead of having to wait so long. As always, links for any of the products that I use in this video will be down below in the description box so that you can start gluing as much EVA foam as you want. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you need any more tutorials, or you have comments, or you feel like I might have missed something, please comment down below. As always, like and subscribe, and happy making.